already know what the dealio is. Let's cold start this shit right now. Let's get it. Woohoo! This shit's gonna go get washed right now, guys. Let's take it to the wash. This thing is super dirty. It is super ugly. And it needs to get washed, y'all. Look at it right here. Dirt X. This is gross as hell, guys. We're gonna take it to the wash right now. I'll resume the vlog and give you guys a couple of pulls on the highway right now, on the freeway right now. Once we start heading to the wash, guys, I'm gonna show you guys the way I wash the car. And this car is super filthy and it needs to get super duper clean, because tonight, who knows what's gonna happen, but it's gonna be on the camera for you guys on the screen, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen tonight. Mojo's coming through, my other friends are coming through, and we are gonna get this going. You guys already know what the dealio is, and the Emilio, and the Capilio, and the Zilio, and the Emilio. Let's hear the exhaust really fast though. Ooh, crazy. Look at how filthy she is, guys. Dirty. That's dirty. That's dirty. It's gross, guys. Let's hear that though. Hell yeah. And it already has a couple of scratches right here. I'm mad. From the actual dirt on the ground and everything. I'm about to fix that. Get it cleaned out. You guys already know what the deal is. Stay tuned, y'all. We're in the vlog right now. Alright, y'all. So we are in the Scatpack on the way to the car wash right now. I am scared, y'all. I don't know if I should do some pulls. I don't have her on sport, and I don't know if I should use the paddle shifters, but let's step on her right now. I'm scared, guys. Ooh, I have the cop radar with me right now, though. Woohoo! That felt okay. The exhaust sounds funny, though. The engine is really wearing in, guys, to be honest. Like, it hasn't sounded like this worn in a while. The more you drive the car, the more you use the vehicle, the more you can actually hear the actual exhaust sound different now, guys. Come on, let's step on it again, guys. I want to step on it hard. Let's get it, y'all. There's too much traffic, guys. Man, how come on the days when I want to step on the Scatpack, there's always traffic? Always hella traffic, guys. Whenever I want to step on the Scatpack, there's always traffic. But when I'm just cruising, driving somewhere that I need to go, there's never traffic. But when I'm vlogging and I want to do some crazy pulls for you guys, there's always traffic. The radar is right there putting in work. You guys see her live in action. If you guys are interested in buying this radar, guys, a lot of people have been letting me know on Instagram that they want to know what's the name of this radar, guys. This radar is called the Passport X80. It is by Escort. Escort makes the best radars, guys. If you guys need any radar detector for police radars, the brand is Escort. The name of the model of this device is called the Passport X80. This freaking radar, guys, puts in so much work. But enough of me talking right now. Let's do more pulls right now once I hop on the highway, y'all. Let's get it. And everyone is getting off work. I can't do pulls, guys. Look how heavy the traffic is. One little pull for you guys right here. Oh, hell yeah. Damn, I want to go crazy. I want to get ratchet. I can't get crazy, guys. There's so much traffic. Look how much traffic there is, guys. I can't get into the highway that fast, sadly. But hey, guys, my exit's only like 3 minutes away. It's literally right here. I'm just gonna wash my car really fast right now, so hopefully the car gets really clean, and it's not too clean. Hey, look, there I go. Sick, man. That's right. That is the Freightliner right there, guys. That's the two-bedder right there. That's a sleeper. That's the sleeper, huh? You gotta say it right there, live in action. That's the sleeper right there, guys. That thing is hard as hell. I need to get me one of those right there. Damn it, but freaking tires are bald as hell. Should we break a little bit of next right here? Should I do a burnout in the middle of the freeway? I'll do a fat-ass burnout in the middle of the freeway right now. Let's do a burnout, guys. Everyone's gonna laugh. Ooh, look at that Acura. Sick whip! Hey, oh, it's a girl. That's a girl. I don't even know if she looked at me though. I don't know why. Every time I don't know, guys. Every time I don't know. I'm crazy as hell right now. Let's get it though. It looks like I can't do pulls for you guys anymore. I'm very sorry, guys. But let's take it to the wash. Hey, sick. Galvan. I always see that guy everywhere. That's Galvan Trucking right there, guys. Galvin Trucking. Luckily our exit's not too far right now. Let's wash this thing. This thing is filthy as hell. You're a dirty hoe. Dirty hoe, Dodge. Let's get it though right now, guys. All right, y'all. You guys see it live in action. We out here at the wash. Look how dirty and filthy she is, guys. Super dirty. I'm about to write in the back of her. Dirty hoe. You can see it more because of the black. Dirty hoe. I'm thinking of taking out the actual black right here. I'm not sure, guys. I kind of just want to remove all this black so you can see the bumblebee. I am not sure why I even freaking blacked that out, guys. I put the wrap over that. But look how much cars there is, guys. There's a lot of cars out here. We're at this car wash right here, guys. You guys don't know. Oh, sick, man. Look at the Jenny pulling up. That's a badass Jenny right there. We out here, guys. We're at this wash right here. Car wash. This is the best wash in the Inland Empire, guys. They have like, I believe they have like over like 20 or 35 different car wash. I'm not sure where, but clean Genesis. Hell yeah, that shit is fresh, guys. I like it. That's the wing I want to get, guys, in the back. That's the diffuser right there. It will be having it soon, guys, later on. I think this thing needs a drop. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys think it needs a drop. Like, it's too high. But that's a badass Genesis right there. You guys see it live in action right there. Damn, that thing is hard as hell. I need to get that freaking spoiler in the back. That little duckbill really changes it up a lot, guys. But we are here at the washy wash. I'm waiting for this one right here. This one exactly right here, guys. This is the biggest one right here. Ooh, that SS sounded loud as hell. That's a beautiful SS, guys. The homie ASAP Thrills, where you at, bro? I'm gonna put that right here. Bro, I miss you, bro. Honestly, man, you need to pull up, bro. I don't even know where you're at right now. I missed the old good days, bro. But I'll hit you up right now. See if you're down to kick it. See if you're down to pull up right now, bro. We're right here. Every time I come to the wash, guys, I have to come to this one right here because it's like the biggest wash. Like, this is like the biggest one there is for like big vehicles. But you guys already know. Look how dirty she looks right now. She a dirty hoe. She a dirty hoe. Ugly old sketty. But she ain't gonna look like that no more. She gonna be clean, guys. Clean. Stay tuned for all that, guys. I was gonna vlog on once I start washing it and cleaning it up right now, guys. Stay tuned for all that shit. Let's get it, y'all. Honestly. Oh yeah. Little car mirror here or what? 5-0. Damn, that shit is fresh. That shit is fresh. That shit is fresh. I need to go to the beach tonight. I think they know each other. That's clean, guys. This is 5-0 right here. Fresh 5-0 iBack. Clean ass 5-0. What is it, a 5 or a 6? It's a V6? It's a V8, huh? Yeah, I was like, what the hell? It's a V6? I saw a 5-0 right there. It's clean though, bro. What year is it? 2014? Oh shit. It's clean, man. Hey, can I have it? That's good. $25? All right, for sure. Hell yeah, you guys heard him right there. He said $25 and I can have it, guys. A 5-0. That shit is clean, guys. Look at this shit. Hell yeah. Look at that. Yeah, Ford Performance, and you got the Jenny right here. I think they have, I don't know if they have the same wheels, but that's like some chrome wheels right there, metallic gray. And the other ones right here, metallic gray right here, guys. Damn, that's crazy as hell. We're about to make this shit a car meet right now, guys. You guys already know this. You guys see 11 action. You guys see the wrap right there, all folly and everything. That looks good as hell. But right now, guys, we're about to watch them. Stay tuned for all that, y'all. Let's get it, guys. What is up, YouTube? I cannot be loud, guys, but I am finally back. I'm very sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, guys. I've been super busy working. I just got back right now, guys. It is a Friday and it's already, let's see what time it is where I live. Let's see, 5:31, guys. 5:31 a.m. in the morning. But your boy's always staying productive. Right now, me and Alex with the Scatpack, we are about to go do something obnoxiously crazy. I know you guys want to know, so stay tuned for the next vlog, guys, because the next vlog you guys are going to be able to see what's going to be happening to that thing through that door. Do you guys know what can possibly be through that door? Let me know in the comment section below. What do you guys think can be through that door? You guys already know. Very sorry I've been MIA, guys, but big things happening. Stay tuned for all that, guys. I appreciate all the love and support. Just know that it's your boy Rob, and stay tuned for the rest, because crazy shit is about to go down, y'all.